We are Hannah and Hello, welcome back to another pizza party. I'm Hannah.
And I'm Manel.
And we are addicted to hummus. And it's not a lie, we're actually addicted to hummus. And that's why today we have to make a pizza with hummus. Okay, all you need to make our hummus is literally just some cooked chickpeas, and loads of super runny tahini, a little bit of aquafaba, which is the cooking water of the chickpeas, and some lemon juice, salt, and that's basically it. By the way, a little trick on the side, for the most creamy hummus, you should use cold chickpeas and cold aquafaba from the fridge. Our hummus is done, and honestly, this turned out quite well. We didn't have to add any more aquafaba. It's not super saucy, but it's running, and I'm gonna taste. Yeah, that's it. But to make it super special, we will infuse some pure garlic in oil. So what we'll be doing is just chopping the garlic, mix it with the oil.
And now it's my turn. And here we have our beautiful pizza doughs. They are 60% hydration, 72 hours fermentation pizza doughs. If you need some inspiration for some pizza dough, just head over Gozney.com. We will put it upside down, and then we are gonna toss it very well on the semolina and place it on our surface. Stretch it the way you like it the most. I like to do this lapping, but you can just use this method and let the gravity do its thing. Time to add our toppings. We are gonna start adding our hummus, feeling here the heat coming from the Roccbox. Then we are gonna add some cherry tomatoes. Then we want to add some onion drizzle of this beautiful garlic oil. Now it's time to put it on the peel. You can add a bit of semolina on it. We can open a bit more the pizza to make it the size of the peel. Make sure it doesn't stick on it. And let's go inside. Been about 30 seconds and it just pops out in the back. And we can start turning it. Oh, this looks so good. This is so beautiful. Now we're gonna add a little bit of this fresh rocket salad and a little bit more of the olive oil. Guys, it's amazing. Bit of salt flakes will give this pop of flavor, amazing. And if you want, we can add a bit of sesame seeds. Okay, it's the time of the truth, when Hannah is gonna come and try it. The garlic, oh. If you love garlic, this oil is just so easy to make.
Garlic? I love garlic.
You like? You love? Cheers.
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 If you are also addicted to hummus, just head over Gozney.com and check out this recipe because it's amazing.
So good.
Head over